Alright guys, before I get into the tournament, I just want to explain the rules real quick. So the goal to win the tournament is the best aura in 24 hours wins. And you are allowed to use gauntlets, luck potions, and anything you can in between those 24 hours. And yeah, this is me speaking like 7 years into the future, like this. And also part of the video will be like recording era 5, like the last part is recording the era 6. So yeah, yeah. But if you want to join these tournaments like these and be in videos, join the Discord and join the Roblox group. That'll be very nice. That'll be very nice. That's all I got to say. Enjoy. First Souls RNG tournament in the world, and the hoster is the honor one. Alright, come in contestants. Yes. Now everybody, line up right here. No, line up here. Is quick roll allowed? Yes. Wait. Should quick roll be allowed? Yes or no? Wait, yes or no? No? No. I bought quick roll. That's too bad, bro. Best aura in the 24 hours wins. But there will be multiple challenges along the way. Type yes if you got that. Type yes. Yes. This is what I like to see. You are allowed to use lucky potions. You're allowed to use anything. You can craft gauntlets. You can do anything, okay? We're gonna start rolling. Wait, hold on. We're not yet. Do not roll. We will start rolling in 10, 9, 8, 7. Get ready. 6, 5, 4, 3, 3.5. Yo, who rolled? Bro! It's fine. Alright, everybody roll one time. Roll one time. He got rage in one roll! 3, 2, 1, go. Start rolling. Go crazy, go stupid. Oh my god, we got Divinus already. Magnetic! Freddy got magnetic. Hello, my fine gentlemen. What would you like at Subway today? A Big Mac? You know, Big Mac? I'm gonna get some special sauce. Oh, wait, he's the first person to get luck glove. Wait, a lot of people got luck glove. What? Where is your gut? Alright, first person to get either a lunar glove or a solar glove gets an advantage. First person to get a lunar. Wait, you got it? No shot. Wait, he has lunar. You only got 40 spins and you got lunar. You passed solar, no shot. Nah, I don't believe you, bro. You passed arcane. Okay, this is. You got lunar device? You got lunar? Wait, come here. Oh, you got a lunar device. Alright, your advantage will be you get to spin for an extra hour. So everybody else will get 24, you'll get 25. Oh, someone just got something. Undead! Someone just got undead! Oh! Someone just got undead! Oh, don't tell me you skipped it. You skipped undead. Oh, another person got lunar. The second lunar. Oh, he got bleeding. Someone got solar! Wait, come here. Wait, who got solar? This guy. You'll also get an advantage. You'll get the same advantage. You'll get an extra hour. Why'd you say no? What happened? Spill the beans. Oh, you went past lunar. That is. What's your best aura? You wanna see? You wanna see my best aura? Yeah. Trash. You trash. Wait. Yo, can this guy stop? The person with the most rolls right now is Santi Garagyat. Yo, can you stop touching me? Stop touching me, okay? Stop touching me. Yes, stop shaking your head. No, stop touching me. I'm about to touch you. Sigma! Yo, Sigma is Sigma. You have 37 rolls and you got undead. Is everybody ready for the next challenge? It's happening. Line up on the street. I mean, like, stay on the street. Alright, first one to get here. Don't start yet. Using the sideways method. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Just go. Oh my god. Oh, damn. Oh, that's one contestant out. Oh, another one. No, the sideways. No. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh, bleeding. You got it, bleeding. Wait, easy. Wait, what's your name? Once the challenge is done, you get to pick one person and delete their aura. Their best aura. That's 2 OP. It's too bad, so sad. You can tell a person to delete the aura, not at the end, but in the middle of the challenge, okay? Yo, I actually wanna see my best aura. Y'all actually wanna see my best aura with 300,000? Y'all judge if I'm cooked. Wait, am I cooked? Am I cooked? Watch this. Am I cooked? Cooked. Burnt, cooking. Wait, you're cooking? Okay, thank you, Goofy. Look what I got. Yeah, Sidemen. Wait, did someone get something? Someone got on the devil. Who got on the devil? Someone got rage heated. Yo, holy. Wait, how much rolls is my guy? Bro, he has 600 rolls. That's crazy. Santee luck real? Bro, you gotta put this. Bro, you gotta put that. You gotta put that. Santee luck equal 99.RNG. That will give you max luck. Yes, bro. You finna get Archangel. Yeah, you finna get Archangel. Oh my god, Santee luck. Oh, look, he got undead. Oh, why you and me, bro? What, bro? This is why I have to ban people. Bruh, my boy, you got no pants on. Okay, so from last video, bro, guess what I got? Guess, bro, look at my inventory. Hold on, ready? Are you guys ready? Finally. Yeah, I'm gonna deliver it to her. Della, how you been? Ahaha. Like, oh, I did it. Let's see this portal. Let's see this portal for the first time. Yes. You see this portal? No, you don't. Cause you're trash. Watch this. Boom. I'm here. I went straight to the baddie. Wait, someone got something. Oh, comment. Oh, what? Oh my god. Nautilus, soul salt with Nautilus. Oh, yo, W avatar 2, bro. Ah, undead jump scare. No, bro, no. You got undead? All you need to do is put on the man face. And you get undead. I'm being for real. Yo, you change your outfit. Skeleton with a man face. Bruh, look. It's Starfall. What you got? Yeah. Bro, why is it? Oh my god, bro. Bro, stop following me, bro.
Time to use the most powerful magical weapon in my arsenal. Me!
Oh my god. Bro, the whole server following me now. Y'all are trash. Alright, next challenge. Are you ready for next challenge? Stay next tree. Like, line up. The challenge is to get an extra hour. A whole extra hour. Alright, first to get Stellar Cave. First to come in Stellar's Cave gets... No. Hey. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Yo, they're running. Alright, who's gonna be first? Oh, rage. Coco gets an extra hour. Alright. I'm gonna do a compilation for I don't know how long, but if y'all want to be in the compilation, just stick near me. Alright, yeah. Fire lineup. Alright guys, so I just came back and guess what I got? Arcane. I got yo. So we're gonna continue the tournament. I'm gonna do transition. Everybody's gonna be here like in 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright, we're gonna continue the tournament from yesterday, and some people have joined with 0 spins that weren't yesterday, but that's fine. Alright, okay, I'm gonna go down the line and tell you to put on your best aura. Okay, hello, bacon hair, put on your best aura. Okay, bleeding. Okay, now you put on your best aura. Rage heated, Mr. Sigma, put on your best aura. Oh my god. First, big boy aura, put on your best aura. Blue shirt. Okay, it's fine. Do you have something? Okay, Sigma, do you have something? Another Sigma. Twilight! Yo! Wait, put on your best aura. So, Twilight is winning right now. Crystallizer cooked. Flush, put on your best aura. Celestial, we have 2 Celestials. Sigma, number 4, put on your best aura. Flush lobotomy, that's valid. Guy with the hat, put on your best aura. Aquatic, nice, 40k. Mr. Bacon Hair. Oh, Divinus, okay. Guy with Lucky Glove, put on your best aura. Oh, yo, you're the guy with the breakthrough? Sigma number 5, put on your best aura. Rage heated, 12,000, okay. Put on your best aura, Robot. Stormal, Bacon Hair, put on your best aura. What? Wait, how much rolls do you got? Bro, you have 5,000 rolls and you got chromatic. You got a 2k? Put on your best aura. Eclipse. Wait, Eclipse your best aura. Okay, okay. I think we have an obvious current winner right now. Do I get advantage for burst? Oh yeah, you do, you do. You're allowed to combine 2 auras. You can combine those 2 auras to make a better aura, you know. Is everybody ready to start rolling? Jump if you're ready. Jump if you're ready. On your marks, get set. Start rolling. Yeah. Someone got bounded! Wait, this was lucky. Hey, you skipped the line. Yeah, wait in line patiently. Wait in line patiently. Y'all speed it up there, bruh. Wait, has anyone seen glitch? Yes? Wait, are you lying? Yes, I have. No. Nah, y'all capping. Why? Oh! Oh! Someone got glacier breakthrough. Oh, I got a star. It's purple. It's purple. Impeached. Breakthrough. It's breakthrough. Oh my god. Ah, bro, are you serious? Wait, bro, how long is this Starfall, bro? It's been going for like 20 minutes. It's like the longest Starfall I've ever been. Alright, I'm gonna go next to you, and then I'm gonna do compilation, okay? Alright, compilation. Alright, we got 30 minutes left to spin. A lot of people joined late just now, so yeah, they're cooked. Someone get Archangel, please. Oh, bro, yeah, get a new aura. Aquamarine. Oh yeah, Emerald. Wait, they're just adding Minecraft auras, bro. This is not creative. We're about to add diamonds next. Bro, the tournament already started. Yes, you can roll. It's about to end, y'all. Y'all got less than 20 minutes. Yeah, we started yesterday. Nah. Oh, he got on the devil. He on the devil at 100 rolls. You got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. Everybody got 10 minutes left. Everybody come here. Everybody come here. We're gonna do an intro. We're gonna do an intro, okay? Once I say jump off, everybody jump off, okay? Alright, guys. We're in the last 10 minutes, and as to show these, bro, not yet. 3, 2, 1, jump off. Y'all gotta jump in. End in 3 minutes. End in 3 minutes. Oh, you're activating your Sigma powers out. Let's see. Last minute. Call your skibbity luck out. I'm gonna pull my luck from my yacht. Alright, everybody stop rolling. Everybody stop rolling. Everybody put on your best aura. Everybody line up. Coming at the bottom of the bottom. This guy has no girls, no riz, no skibbity. We got flushed. Next up we got undead. This guy looks max, but he's cooked. Next up we got the Celestials. 2 of the Celestials. Twilight. Next up we got Twilight. This guy looks max. Yeah, and he has Riz. And then we got Chromatic. This is a guy that has no social life, no girls, no. Stop running. Post game interview. How do you feel about winning?
Crazy.
Step back.
I'm kind of shocked.
This is the interview.
Kind of shocked.
You're kind of shocked. Okay, how did you feel once you got the Chromatic and 2 kid rolls? Like, what was your first reaction?
I was confused.
Confused. Okay.
I thought it was a rage heated, and then it just came out of nowhere.
Did you think you're gonna win this challenge?
No, I just wanted to watch.
Shout me out. You didn't win, my boy. You didn't win. Oh yeah, guys, go sub that. Yeah, I can read that clearly, bro. What should the viewers do? Jump and sub, like, gamble. Okay.